Hey everybody, good afternoon. Neil here. Friday afternoon post-market review wrap-up. Free market video, and we are looking at what's happened since the last time we were together and what you may look forward to in the coming week ahead. So, last time we were together, we were looking at this big downtick that occurred on the Fed. These are S&Ps, by the way. It's this ES chart. I guess we could switch it to SPX. It'd be the same, and the question was, okay, so with that big impulse move wave down, do we get more? And I think yes, as mentioned previously. But before that, first up, test up, in order to then roll. So we tested a little higher though than what I was really looking for. I would have probably honestly really put it back into the averages here, as I think I'd mentioned, put it back into the averages and then roll. It went a little higher than that. But outside of that, still it looks largely, I think, the same to me. We'll zoom in one time. In that we've got the initial impulse wave down, we're getting the retrace, and I think soon to come, it doesn't necessarily have to be exactly precisely, next week, although it could be. By the way, next week is actually when the Santa rally is, supposed to, kind of show. It's the last 2 days of the current year and the first 3 days of the next is per Stock Trader Almanac. That's like the official, if you will, Santa rally. So we'll see, right? That would be Monday, Tuesday of next week. Let's see. I don't know. But right now it looks like this thing came off pretty hard here today on Friday. And with follow through, like I say, on the next leg down, the target that personally that I would be looking for would be in the ES. These are March futures, not to be confused with SPX or something else, but March futures ES. I'd be looking for 58.40. That's my kind of main first big target down here. What that is a couple of things. You can look back over here and you can see a lot of consolidation previously, which forms a big HVN or point of control in volume terms. And it's also the ending settlement price of the prior quarter December contracts when they rolled off the board on triple witching. So first part of this is catching up with what we were looking at last time we were together. The next part of this is, okay, what are we looking at going forward? And it's largely the same, but yet with first catching up and then, putting a target to it. If that happens to kind of, work itself out, why then the next thing we'll talk about will be down here at 57. But first, we got to, first things first. We'll go back into a big HVN here, and last prior end of quarter settle print at 58.40 is my current thinking as is right now. That's what I got for you. Hope it helps. Let's have good trading. Nice evening, and look forward to being with you again at the next update.
Without simpler trading, I could not have financial independence.
This is one of the best investments I ever made in my life.
It's helping me find consistency.
It's one of the things that won me